Start creating a rule and select an issue trigger. Add a send web request action. Enter the web request URL that you can find in the documentation. Leave the HTTP method on post. Set the web request body to custom data and copy the request body template from the documentation. First, configure the export part of the rule. At a minimum, define the PDF view you want to use and the JQL query to define what issues to export. Then configure the action part of the rule. Define the email addresses, the email subject and body. Finally, paste the webhook URL you created in the callback rule. Check the Delay Execution of Subsequent Rule Actions option. Next, set up the required headers. Find the instructions in the documentation and simply follow them. To create an API token, visit the security section of your Atlassian account. If you are unsure, find the link to the documentation in the description. Add a log action and copy the log message from the documentation. Name your rule and turn it on. Your PDF will be emailed to the recipients at the configured issue event. Let's give it a try with a story completion notification. Set the issue event trigger to issue transitioned to done status. In the export section of your rule, modify the JQL, so the automation will only be triggered by story type issues. The issue.key smart value will be replaced by the issue triggering your automation. Then set real email addresses, an email subject, and body. Update your rule and transition an issue to test the automation. An email is delivered with a PDF attachment that contains the issue details. Ready to automate your PDF documents? Install Better PDF Automation for Jira Cloud now. Don't forget to install Better PDF Exporter as well.